Here's a quick and simple project for your home. In a bowl, mix 5 tablespoons of sugar, freshly grated lemon zest, and a generous amount of toothpaste. Stir until the ingredients are well combined. Then, take a piece of aluminum foil, place the mixture in the center, and shape it into a compact ball using several layers of foil. Use a toothpick to poke small holes in the foil. Finally, place your creation near kitchen cabinets. It's an effective cockroach trap. I placed it all around the house, and I couldn't believe the results. Prepare a small dish. Add 3 teaspoons of coffee. Add 2 teaspoons of dried or fresh mint. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients together. Prepare a small piece of aluminum foil. Sprinkle a pinch of the mixture onto it. Fold it in such a way and poke holes in it with a toothpick. Prepare a few such foil packets. Cover the rest of the mixture with a larger piece of aluminum foil. Poke a few holes in the foil with a toothpick. Place this dish on a windowsill or a shelf. Leave the small foil packets in various places around the house. You can place them by the doors, on the windowsill, or in kitchen cabinets. The ingredients in this mixture repel many insects, such as flies, mosquitoes, ants, moths, and even spiders. At the end of summer, it's the perfect way to protect your home from various pests. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then, cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then, take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. Dip a candle in fabric softener. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. Take a pan and toss in 3 regular white candles, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Next, remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour in the melted wax. Then add your favorite scented fabric softener. The next ingredient is cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties and a pleasant, intense scent. Add the cloves to the glass container with the wax and wait for them to sink. Then, add the wick from the melted candle, measuring its ideal height. Hold it in place with a toothpick or clip so it doesn't fall inside. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick and add the cloves again. Your candle is ready. Finally, light it and place it where you spend most of your time. This natural candle will fill your home with the scent of your favorite fabric softener and cloves while helping to get rid of unwanted insects. Wrap a candle in foil for a surprising candle hack. I'll show you why this trick is worth your attention. Start with a regular white candle, preferably one with a long wick. Then wrap the candle in aluminum foil, leaving the ends exposed. Take a medium-sized jar, ensuring the wick sticks out above the jar. Light the bottom of the candle to melt the wax, then place it in the jar, pressing lightly. Wait for the wax to set properly and check if the candle is securely attached. Next, pour warm water into the jar and sprinkle a few cloves on top. The warm water will help release their aromas more effectively. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a natural, pleasant scent. Your candle is now ready. Light it up and place it where you spend most of your time. You'll keep insects away while creating a relaxing atmosphere. This simple hack not only enhances the ambiance of your space, but also adds a delightful fragrance. A real orange candle. You must have it in your home. Start by cutting a large orange in half. Empty the inside, leaving the outer peel intact. It's important to leave the white stem in the bottom half. In the top part, make a medium-sized hole. Oranges have many uses, from the kitchen to cosmetics and everyday household tasks. Their strong scent comes from essential oils, which refresh and have antibacterial properties. Now take olive oil and pour it into the empty orange peel, leaving some space at the top. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Not only will it fill the space with a pleasant aroma, but it can also help repel mosquitoes and other insects. Once everything is ready, carefully light the white stem. It will serve as the wick. The warm candlelight and the rising scent will create a unique atmosphere. Finally, place the top half of the orange with the hole over the lit candle. The natural shade will gently diffuse the light and scent. This finished orange candle is a beautiful decoration and a practical solution in one. In my home, there is no humidity. You need to do this in your house. First, take a small plastic container or a small glass jar. Fill it with salt. Regular, inexpensive table salt works perfectly, or you can use sea salt. It has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, pour a capful of fabric softener into the container with the salt. It should have a pleasant floral scent. The next ingredient is alcohol, which provides disinfecting and antifungal properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons into the container. Place this container by a window or leave it in any room. It will emit a lovely scent, and everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, its main job is to absorb excess moisture. In my home, you can immediately feel the difference. The air is fresh and the floral scent lingers in every room. Be sure to try this simple method and see for yourself how quickly it works. My home smells wonderful. Everyone asks about my secret. This beautiful scent wafts throughout the house. Most people usually buy scented sachets at drugstores, but they only last for a few days. It's definitely better to try this trick with a box. First, take a small plastic container or cup. Pour salt into it. Regular, inexpensive table salt is perfect, but sea salt works too as it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, add 1 capful of antibacterial liquid. Then pour in a capful of fabric softener with a pleasant floral scent. Insert 3 long toothpicks into the cup. They will be perfect scent carriers. Place the box in the bathroom or closet, and a lovely fragrance will emerge. Everyone will ask what smells so good, and it also absorbs excess moisture.